How to turn on or turn off ask to add new devices to SmartThings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see second option is Connected Devices. Click on Connected Devices and scroll down and click on SmartThings. After click on SmartThings, click on menu and click on the settings icon. Now in SmartThings settings, scroll down. You will see ask to add new addresses here. If you want to turn off ask to add new addresses, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see ask to add new addresses is turn off. If you want to turn on ask to add new addresses, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see ask to add new addresses is turn on. You will turn on or turn off ask to add new addresses from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off ask to add new addresses to SmartThings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.